Got negative
First off.
numbers. Let's go to hell.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on?
This is how we do it.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? I'm in a fucking elevator, bro.
Let me in!
No matter what I do, it's passing the door and stopping here.
My favorite hero came to save us.
Oh, wait, what the fuck happened? Wait, what the fuck?